Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Science. Today, we're going to discuss about some science equipment and materials. In this lesson, you will learn and identify some science equipment and materials, their uses and functions. Are you ready? A curious mind observes, asks questions, looks for answers, and checks if an information is correct. Scientists display curiosity when they perform experiments. In doing experiments, you need equipment and materials. Meter stick and ruler. These are tools used to measure the height, length, and width of objects. Hand lens or magnifying glass. A hand lens is a handheld magnifying glass. It is used to magnify the object being studied. Balloons. Balloons serve as models for studying the properties of gases and act as instruments for studying the weather. Clay and cardboard. Modeling clay and cardboard are often used in making models of objects, landforms, and water forms found in nature. These are some of the laboratory apparatus and equipment. Let's study them one by one. These are test tubes. Test tube is a glassware that is used to heat a small amount of liquids and as containers. This is test tube rock. It is used for securely holding, storing, and transporting test tubes. This is a test tube holder. It is used to hold test tube when it is hot. This is a beaker. It is a wide-mouth container used to heat large amount of liquids. This is a tongs. It is used to handle hot beaker or crucible. This is a wire gauge. It is placed on top of the tripod while heating. And this is the tripod. It is a three-leg equipment used to support beakers. And this is the alcohol lamp. It is used for heating. Graduated cylinder. It is used to measure the volume of liquids. Erlenmeyer flask. It is used to hold and measure liquids. It has narrow head to prevent splash. Florence flask. It is a glassware used to heat and store liquids and substances. Volumetric flask. It is used to prepare solutions in accurate volumes. Dropper. It is used to precisely dispense small amounts of liquids. Meter stick. It is for measuring length for objects longer than a typical ruler. Infrared thermometer and thermometer. Both traditional mercury or infrared thermometers are used for temperature measurement. Digital weighing scale and triple beam balance. They are used to accurately measure the weight and mass of an object. This is the crucible and cover. It is used to hold small amounts of chemicals during heating at high temperature. This is a clay triangle. It is used to hold a crucible while heating. And this is the Bunsen burner. It is used for heating, sterilization, and conducting flame tests. Funnel. It is used for pouring liquids or substances through a small opening. Mortar and pestle. It is used for grinding, crushing, and mixing solid substances. Evaporating dish. It is used as container for evaporating liquids, so it will leave a solid residue. Microscope. It is used to examine materials and organisms that are not visible to the naked eye. Magnifying glass. It is used for close examination of small objects or details. Let's study now some laboratory safety equipment. This is a fume hood, a ventilated enclosure designed to protect lab users from inhaling harmful fumes. Goggles. It is used to protect your eyes during a lab experiment. Gloves. It is used to protect your hands when working with corrosive chemicals. Lab coat or lab gown. It is used to protect your skin and clothes from spills. Closed shoes. It is used to protect your feet from chemical spills. Name the laboratory apparatus and equipment. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Beaker, tongs, test tube, tripod. And these are the answers. Alcohol lamp, test tube rock, wire gauge, test tube holder. Let's check now your answers. Volumetric flask, Florence flask, Arlenmeyer flask, graduated cylinder. And these are the answers. Funnel, dropper, meter stick. Let's check your answers. Triple beam balance, digital weighing scale. Let's now check your answers. Infrared thermometer, clay triangle, thermometer. And these are the answers. Mortar and pestle, crucible and cover, evaporating dish. And these are the answers. Microscope, Bunsen burner, and magnifying glass. Let's check now your answers. Goggles, gloves, lab coat, fume hood, glow shoes.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.